Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Sudden Wealth. Please consider dropping that like and subscribe if you do appreciate my content. It greatly helps the channel, greatly helps me, and hopefully my message will reach to more people. Now, quick update, crypto markets, Bitcoin in the green, Ethereum in the green. As I mentioned, I think we are making our way to Bitcoin 34 to 35,000 and Ethereum to 2,200 to 2,300, where Ethereum will be outperforming Bitcoin in the next couple of months. That is my feeling. That is what I think is going to happen. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. It's almost like three predictions into one. But in any case, things are moving, let's say, on a positive direction. Now, I would like to tell you something just around the psychology of crypto and the psychology of investing, which is so funny. So I told you that I put some money as a lottery ticket. I will repeat this again. Lottery ticket, which means it's not even 3% of my net worth. Is really, look, if this thing goes up 1,000x, fine. If this thing goes to zero, also fine. If this thing 10x's, I'm very happy. If this thing 20x's, I'm also very happy. And that coin is called AI Doge. And I did participate in the pre-sale. Now, when I participated in it, there was a point where the coin dropped, 50, 60% below the pre-sale stage. And the Telegram group was, where is the team? Why aren't they doing anything? The team ran with your money. The team is slow pulling you. This is shit, blah, blah, this is crap. This is the end. This is what happens. I got scammed. But all day long, I was just laughing, right? Because I have such a small position, but I really don't care. But it's funny to see how the mentality works. Now, yesterday and today, in the last 3 days, we've actually made quite a good run. I used to be like 60% down. I'm almost at break even now. So we had like almost 2x or 3x. Now everything is great. The team is very good. The project is amazing. We're going to go to the moon, 1,000x, 1,000,000x, 5,000,000x, you name it, it's there. What I'm trying to say is I'm not picking on the people in that group or anything like that. This happens in every group. This happens everywhere. Like people say, I love the dips. I love when it goes down so I can buy more. They do until it falls out of their comfort zone. When it starts dropping 60, 70, 80%, then all of a sudden that confidence begins becoming a lot of nastiness and angry comments, right? And when do they buy? When the green candles come. So think about it. They don't buy when it's down here. They buy it when it's already run up quite a bit. Now, because this is a lottery ticket, I'm not buying the dips because I have a very clear strategy from day one. If I lose all the money there, fine. It doesn't move me at all. If the whole thing 8 to 10 axes, depending on, then it will involve something around technical analysis, momentum, etc. But if that thing 10 axes, I take out my initial investment plus a nice profit, and I let the rest run. If the rest goes to 100x, 50x, 500, fine, perfect. I'm a very happy person if that happens. If that doesn't happen, I already made money. If it goes to zero, I also don't care. That's the point. So I'm always relaxed. So I can be like this, just watching the whole shenanigans going around, right? All the craziness, all the psychology. Now, again, I'm not picking on that community. This happens in every crypto. People need to understand we are in the recovery year, and we are still a little bit, or we were still in the past few weeks, in the Bitcoin dominance cycle. That means that a lot of sideways movement, a lot of go up, go immediately down, a lot of Bitcoin's going up, but the altcoins are not moving or actually going a bit down. That's all part of the cycle. But it's so funny to see the psychology behind this. And what I'm trying to say is this. For lottery tickets, I do have what I call the lottery tickets, 5% on my investment. I do have certain defined rules. and I am comfortable with losing everything. So I'm always relaxed. I never stress about it. I don't lose 1 minute of sleep around it. Then on my retirement bags, which I will be revealing hopefully sometime in the middle of the month, maybe a bit later, but we'll see. But that I buy, even if it's down 98% or 95%. I don't care. 2022, 2023 are accumulation periods for me. 2024, after certain things happen, stop buying. 2025, start DCAing out from crypto into stable coins. When I start to hear things at my work about, have you heard about this crypto? Oh, this crypto is going to 10x. Oh, this, well, all these ICOs and blue Zilla coins and things like that start going up 20x, 50x. Maybe it's time to start taking some meat out of the bone. And that way, if it keeps running, fine. I still have percentage on my portfolio. I really don't care. If it starts crashing, I'm already in stable coins. But that's the key. That way, you're always relaxed. And you need to have, for example, I don't care about next week movement on my retirement bags. I care about 2025 and 2025, I'm talking about Q4, or if the BlackRock ETF comes out in March 2025, then I care about it in March 2025, because I do think if that happens in March or February or something like that of 2025, I do think that's going to be the top of the cycle. If it happens sooner, it shouldn't be the top of the cycle. So, but that's it. I have a clear plan up until Q4 2025. So I don't stress, I just relax. And I'm not here like to make fun of people or anything. I'm just trying to give you the psychology behind it, right? People want to see those green candles. People don't want to buy Bitcoin at 15,000. They want to buy Bitcoin at 40 or 50,000. Think about it. They don't want to buy it now. Now they're starting to want to buy it, but they don't want to buy it at 15,000. They don't want to buy it at 3,800. They don't want to buy it at $2. They want to buy it at $30, at 20,000, and now in this at 40 to 50,000. That's when they want to buy it. That's their mistake. But in any case, look, none of this financial advice, but just so funny to see the psychology around this. It's quite interesting. So thank you guys, and I will catch you in the next one.